Welcome to MarineMax Rogers here in Minnesota. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Behind me is a 2022 Sea Ray 19 SPX that we are going to take a look at today. Looking at the exterior of the boat, you have the nice horizon hull side color with the black bottom. Looks super sharp. You have a nice painted dual axle trailer that it comes with. You do have this nice big bimini top as well that opens up and provides lots of shade on a nice sunny day. As we move towards the back of the boat, you have a swim platform with a sea deck on it. You have a nice little swim ladder here as well. This particular 19 SPX is powered by the 4.5 liter Merc Cruiser engine producing 200 horsepower. You have the Alpha 1 drive here as well. You do have a submersible swim platform that's located right here. It does fold down when this drive is down. You have a tow point here, the integrated handle here to get up from the actual water. You have a nice walkway into the cockpit area, which we're about to take a look at. So let's take a peek at the 19 SPX. Welcome to the interior of the 19 SPX. We're starting off in the bow. One thing to note is that the bow is very spacious, and so is the whole interior. Looking at the interior color, this is stone gray, and then it's got the infinity woven vinyl flooring to match the stone interior, which looks really sharp, easy to keep clean too, which is really nice. That's why a lot of people do like the infinity woven vinyl flooring. As we move back here, you'll see you have more storage in here. You have a recessed glove box here, give you nice visibility through the windshield. You have this nice port lounger over here, so you can fit quite a few people in this 19 SPX. Moving towards the helm here, you have the traditional gauges here and here. Here you have a depth gauge on the far right side. You have a head unit here to control your stereo system. You have a nice premium steering wheel here with a nice bucket seat here for your captain. You do have a bolster, gives you more visibility if you need it. You have your throttle over here on your right side, little armrest. And then you're gonna have more storage underneath these seats here. This can be used as a cooler if you want to. Opening up this back hatch here, there's your 200 horsepower Merc Cruiser engine. On the left side here, you have plenty of storage for life jackets, dock line, as well as any inflatables or fenders if you need to. Again, you have this nice walkthrough here, so you're not stepping on any vinyl as you enter and exit the boat, which is great. Other than that, this is the 19 SPX made by Sea Ray. It's here at our MarineMax Rogers location. If you have any questions, feel free to call in or come stop by. Thank you.